Good day, everybody, and in this session we will talk about the statistical view on the website and the dedicated view for the OFI system available for the general public and also the quality coordinator and quality department. This type of reporting is required as an outcome of all incident reporting across the year, and the system has been running from 2018. So you can see at the bottom here all of the years and different segmentation for Q of the year itself. So as a typical example, let's go to the two side. This is a yearly view, and these are the Q view. So as a general view, you can see for 21, there is the definition first for the location and how many OFI have been reported in this location. And then incident of source. So this is how many of those incident has been segregated to be on employees or for environment and other areas. Then at this side you can see how many of those incidents have been closed and how many are in progress or in pending, not looked at until now, and so forth. And then at the bottom side you can see the total number for the whole year, and here the segmentation for category for the reported OFI. The same setup is done. Remember, this is 2021, and if we go to 2021, the first quarter, you can see a segment of that entire view of data. So from here you can see the location that reported on that queue and the source of incident from that queue, and then again for status on that queue, and then the total number for that queue, and then the category for that queue. So you could jump into all the queues of 2021 and you will get a similar dashboard in that manner. It's mainly the same information displayed in a different chart for more clarity. This is what being used as an outcome report for every quarter and every year over the last 3-4 years. This is very helpful, very useful to share with everybody, as it is clearing the path that those incidents have been looked at. The progress is always on that. The system is trying best to coordinate the effort of reporting and giving feedback, and then once it's done, it's also waiting for the trending and sometimes resulted into root cause analysis or root cause analysis. So you can see each quarter have its numbers and its statistic. From here you could understand that outcome of the system is hopefully helping the hospital, helping its employees and its staff and patients. That's a quick demonstration for the statistical part of the system, and it is available on the website that was covered in the previous session. Thank you and have a good day.